Charles McMahon on behalf of Expert Village. You can see that so far we have 4 pieces ready to burn from 1/4 of this log. So we'll take the other quarter . You can see that you don't have to split this all the way down. In other words, you don't have to run the wedge all the way down the log. If you've got good dry wood like this, once it starts to split, the split will go pretty much all along the whole log. Okay, so now we've gotten halfway through this log. We have 8 pieces of wood, and after that we'll continue.